Welcome to Pure. Before you get going, we need to make sure you are up to speed. We've set you up with 5 objectives. Complete them, and we'll know you're ready for the big time. First up, complete a lap of the circuit. Nice work! Preloading allows you to get around the track faster by launching your ATV into the... Nice air! You should preload every chance you get. Now find yourself a jump and get some air. Then press the A button and a direction on the left stick to pull a trick. If you want to pull off tricks, you need room to maneuver. Gain additional height by slamming the left stick down, then quickly flicking it up as you leave a jump. That looked awesome! Tricks earn you juice, which is added to your thrill bar. You can cash in your juice for extra speed by holding down the X button. Great job! Now you're clear on boosting. You shouldn't have trouble catching the other riders. Time for your final test. You've got to run a lap of this circuit before the timer runs out. You'll need to preload, pull tricks, and boost to beat it. Do that, and you're signed up for the Pure World Tour. Finish the lap before the timer hits 0. Nicely done, you certainly know your stuff. Good luck in the tour.
Anytime, anywhere!
To bring a new ATV to life. Here's where you modify your ATV. To switch out... At first, you'll only be able to attempt the easiest tricks by pressing the A button and a direction on the left stick. Nail some of these babies and you'll ramp up your thrill bar. The higher it soars, the sicker the trick you'll be able to perform.
How does my back do?
tricks add juice to the thrill bar in the bottom right corner of the screen. Keep filling it to unlock bigger tricks using the other buttons. You've got enough juice to do intermediate tricks. Try one on the next big jump. Boost active! Congratulations! You've just scored your first W in the World Tour. This is what it's all about. You've just unlocked your first show part. Nice going. Welcome to the garage, where here's where you modify your ATV. To switch out a part, select it from the component list, then choose an alternative. Each component type comes with extra options like color, class, or applied decal. You can even rename an ATV with the rename option. Bumpers protect you by channeling impacts through your vehicle. A stage can have up to 7 events, which you can attempt in any order. Win enough of... Looking for a quick shot of racing action? Then you've come to the right place. These tight level... Add juice to the thrill bar in the bottom right corner of the screen. Keep filling it to unlock bigger tricks using the other buttons. You're in the winning groove now. You got the makings of a future world champion. Nice. You've just done... Congrats! You've completed your first... Well... Brake stop your 8. While airborne, you can modify your tricks to earn bonus thrill bar points. You got two choices here. Juice to the thrill bar in the bottom right corner of the screen. Keep filling it to unlock bigger tricks using the other buttons. Got enough juice to do intermediate tricks. Try one on the next big jump.
Hey, I thought this was supposed to be a race.
got enough juice to do expert tricks. Try one. First!
Rosa Warren es la mejor.
Chalk up another win. Keep riding like that, and you're... That's 3 straight on the win count. You got the momentum now, so keep pushing on.